Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the 5 best exercises for beginners. These are perfect if you're just starting out or getting back into fitness. Let's dive in. First up, we have squats. Squats are amazing for building strength in your legs and glutes. Just stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower yourself like you're sitting in an invisible chair, and then stand back up. Try doing 10 to 15 reps. Trust me, your legs will thank you later. Next, let's talk push-ups. These are great for your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position, lower yourself until your chest is just above the floor, and push back up. Aim for 8 to 12 reps. Don't worry if you can't do many at first, just keep practicing. Now, let's move on to the plank. This one is fantastic for your core. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels and keep your core tight. Try to hold it for 30-60 seconds. It's tougher than it looks, but so worth it. Lunges are next. They're awesome for your legs and glutes. Step forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees, then push back up. Do 10 to 12 reps on each leg. You'll feel the burn, but it's a good burn. Finally, we have bent over rows. This exercise targets your back and biceps. Bend at the waist, keep your back straight, and pull the weights towards your torso. Go for 10 to 15 reps. It's great for improving your posture too. And there you have it. 5 simple yet effective exercises for beginners. Remember, it's all about starting slow, focusing on your form, and gradually increasing your reps and sets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness tips and workouts. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.